Taylor and Francis journals. We're probably one of the biggest journals in the field, and for us really today what we want to make sure we tell everybody is that we very much consider ourselves a broad church type journal. So very interdisciplinary, very open to lots of different ways of interpreting business history, though within some constraints. We get some math stuff, probably most journals do, but we do as well. So we have certain ideas about what we think the field is, but as it says, we are trying to take a very open and broad approach that accommodates a strong emphasis on interdisciplinary engagement through our peer review process and editorial processes. So for example, we recently had a special issue, say, in the Middle East to bring forward more work on other regions of the world. But for example, now there's my department's hosting a conference, AIB. And we also have a new editorial out that literally came out at the start of the week, talking about how you can look into the contributions we like to accept in the journal. So if you're interested in that, if you go on this barcode, you see a quick summary of that particular editorial. We're really trying to talk about not just what we have published, but also what we aim to publish in the future and what kind of contributions we hope will be relevant for the field going forward. So thank you very much.